Welcome to this 3-bedroom house for sale in Pomona, Kempton Park, South Africa for R1,450,000. Situated in the heart of Pomona, beautiful clinker house on a large stand offering 3 bedrooms, carpeted, 2 bathrooms, kitchen, dining room, bar, lounge and family room with underfloor heating, sliding door leading to a covered patio and a landscaped garden, jacuzzi and fish pond. The garden is very well maintained all year round. There's a double garage with a loft for extra storage with cupboards and a carport for 2 cars. Come see and put an offer right away for you to own your own castle. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.